Smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are muscles that work automatically, meaning the human body doesn't have to think about using them and you can't control them involuntarily. Their main job is to help move substances along through the body and control important internal processes. Smooth muscles are found in the walls of organs, such as the stomach, intestines, bladder, and blood vessels. They are also found in places like the uterus and airways. Because they are inside organs, we usually don't feel them working. Smooth muscles work by slowly contracting and relaxing. For example, in the digestive system, smooth muscles squeeze the food through the stomach and intestines in a process called peristalsis. In blood vessels, smooth muscles tighten or relax to control flow and blood pressure. Smooth muscles are very important for survival because they help with digestion, circulation, and breathing without us needing to think about it. Because smooth muscles are always working without you having to think about them, they are regularly maintained by the body by itself. They can't easily deteriorate or get unhealthy unless long periods of unusing time, like comas or being bedridden.
Cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles contract rhythmically to pump blood through the heart and into the rest of the body, circulating blood to maintain bodily functions. They are the main tissue of the heart wall, also called the myocardium, and their coordinated contractions are known as the heartbeat. These involuntary muscles are essential for supplying the body with oxygen and removing waste products. They aid the overall control of circulation by regulating blood flow and maintaining blood pressure. Specialized cells and fibers conduct electrical impulses that ensure the heart beats in a coordinated and rhythmic manner. By pumping oxygenated blood, cardiac muscles ensure that all of the body's tissues receive the oxygen they need to function. The blood circulation driven by cardiac muscle also helps transport waste products from the body's tissues to the organs responsible for their removal. Unlike skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle has its own intrinsic rhythmicity, meaning it can generate its own electrical impulses to contract through specialized pacemaker cells like the sinoatrial node. The rate of this rhythm can be adjusted by a nervous system to meet the body's needs.
Skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles are voluntary muscles, meaning we control when they move. These muscles are attached to bones by strong connective tissues called tendons. Skeletal muscles work closely with the skeletal and nervous system to allow movement. Skeletal muscles are found throughout the body, including the arms, legs, shoulders, back, chest, and face. Some well-known skeletal muscles include the biceps, triceps, quadriceps, hamstrings, and abdominal muscles. Skeletal muscles work when the brain sends electrical signals through the nerves to the muscle fibers. When a muscle receives a signal, it contracts and becomes shorter, pulling on the bone it is attached to. All of these muscles work together to lift, throw, jump, and walk. Skeletal muscles usually work in pairs, with one muscle contracting while the opposing muscle relaxes. In addition to movement, skeletal muscles help maintain posture, stabilize joints, protect organs, and can produce heat to regulate body temperature by vibrating, which is when you shiver when you get cold. Strong and healthy skeletal muscles improve balance, coordination, and overall physical health. Regular exercise, stretching, and proper nutrition help keep skeletal muscles strong and functioning properly. Diseases that affect the muscular system. One disease that affects the muscular system is muscular dystrophy. Muscular dystrophy is a genetic condition that causes muscles to slowly weaken over time. This happens because the muscles cannot repair themselves properly. People with muscular dystrophy may have trouble walking, lifting objects, or performing everyday activities. Another condition is myasthenia gravis. This is an autoimmune disease where the immune system interferes with the signals between nerves and muscles. As a result, muscles become weak and tired easily, especially muscles used for speaking, chewing, and moving the eyes. A third common condition is muscle strains or tears. These occurs when muscles are stretched too far or used too forcefully. These are the most common injuries sustained to muscles, often during sports or exercise. Muscle strains can cause pain, swelling, and limited movement, but they usually heal with proper rest and care. These diseases and conditions can affect how muscles move and function, making it important to take care of the muscular system through exercising, stretching, and healthy habits. Muscles. Smooth muscles. Smooth muscles.